You are not lucky to have a job. You exchange your time, skill, and effort for a salary. That is a legal relationship, not a favor. Which means one thing: you are entitled to fair treatment. Not shouting, not humiliation in front of colleagues, not secret accusations, not disciplinary hearings where the outcome is already decided, not punishment without proof, not being targeted after raising your concerns. A workplace cannot just do whatever it wants because it pays you. Rules must be consistent, investigations must be genuine, hearings must be impartial, and discipline must be fair. If they ignore procedure, if they single you out, if they pressure you to resign instead of following process, that is no longer management. That becomes a labor matter. And know this: silence protects the conduct and action protects you.